Hello from Chimeda Aesthetics. Today we're going to present BioReTherapy. It's a revitalizing, antioxidant, moisturizing treatment specifically for the face and body. It's a biphasic patented technology. We have depending patent all over the world, so there's no such other product which you're going to be able to find anywhere else. Why is it important? Why is biphasic technology so important? Monophasic TCA, which was very well known for all those years, would have to be preserved in the fridge, would oxidize or denaturalized, would be unstable and darkening. Patented technology allowed to achieve the room temperature stability. It allowed to achieve no TCA oxidization, no formulation darkening or degradation of the active ingredients, and functionalized lipolytic phase. So the lipolytic phase, you will see two different phases in the product. Lipolytic phase is the phase which is on top of the product, the darker green phase. It prevents trichloric acid oxidization, it prevents denaturalization, it stabilizes all the active ingredients inside the product. It has also firming and vinculating action, which means it will help to carry out all the active ingredients much deeper inside the skin. It will help for active professional treatment. It has regenerating properties and moisturizing properties, which is very important when we're performing any professional treatment in the salon. And of course, biostimulating action is you're going to find in hydrolipid phase. It is biostimulating action, revitalizing action, keratolytic and peeling action, which means it will remove the cells from the stratum corneum. It will allow for the penetration of the active ingredients and for the revitalization of the skin. Of course, it's going to work for acne problems, it's going to work for all the different skin problems. It will allow for regeneration, redermalization of the skin, and tackling all the different skin conditions. So the biphasic technology overview: a lipolytic phase which floats on the top of hydrophilic phase, which will provide from the denaturalization of the product, from oxidization of the TCA. It will stabilize the product, it will prevent from denaturalization, it will provide mechanical barrier for the product. So the main features of the BioRePeel CL-free: no needles, you do not require any needles, you do not require injections when you're performing BioRePeel therapy. It is painless treatment. Of course, your patient might feel a little bit of tingling. We are dealing with the TCA acid, we are dealing with active ingredients. Well, they penetrate, they might create a little bit of tingling effect, but this effect will last for just a couple of seconds and then will subside. It is a very fast treatment. It will take roughly 15 to 20 minutes to perform all the basic procedure. It is multifunctional, which means you are able to combine it with other treatments in your salon. It will give you immediate effect, so the patient leaving the salon will already see the difference, will already see the benefits of the therapy. There's no post-treatment signs, which means there's no recovery time. There's no recovery time for the patient. There's no requirement for your patients to stay at home for a certain period of time. They are ready to come back to the daily routine straight away after the treatment. This is the treatment for the whole body, for all ages. You of course need to check with your requirements from which age you are able to treat your patients, but it is product suitable for all ages and for all skin types, which means you can treat your patients all Fitzpatrick type from type 1 to type 6. There's no exclusions if it comes to Fitzpatrick types. And for every season, which means you are able to perform this therapy during the sunny time, during the summer, during the winter, during the autumn, so there's no exclusions regarding the seasons. It's not photosensitizing. Of course, you need to pay attention to what other procedures you're combining BioRePeel therapy with, but BioRePeel itself, BioRePeel therapy, it's not photosensitizing, which means you are not excluding from your daily activities. You do not need to worry about TCA in stabilized form causing any action which would cause pigmentation, which would cause any unwanted effects. There is 4 functional complexes: biologically active substances, glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, and vitamin C, revitalizing action, GABA, arginine, and riboflavin. Of course, peeling action, which is going to be our main active ingredients: TCA, lactobionic acid, salicylic acid, tartaric, and citric acid, and lipolytic phase, so the squalane and isopropyl mystrate.